Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope everything is going great. My name is Abdul Haq. I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Darul Uloom Nadratul Ulama, Lucknow. Presently, I am pursuing personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindagi in Karnataka, where I learn spoken English, spoken Arabic, and computer. Today, I stand before you to shed light on a pressing issue that affects individuals, families, communities, society as a whole. That is drugs and their side effects. Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Kullu muskirin khamrun wa kullu muskirin haramun." Every intoxicant is khamr and every intoxicant is prohibited, related by Muslim. Drugs, whether they are illicit substances or prescription medications, while they are used for legitimate medical purposes, their misuse and abuse can lead to a wide range of physical, psychological, and social side effects. Let's start by discussing some common illicit drugs. One such drug is cocaine, a powerful stimulant that can cause a rapid increase in heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and heightened alertness. Prolonged use of cocaine can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and damage to the respiratory system. Additionally, cocaine addiction can lead to a severe psychological effects, including paranoia, hallucinations, and aggressive behavior. Another illicit drug that has gained notoriety is heroin. Heroin is an opioid that depresses central nervous system, leading to sense of euphoria and relaxation. However, it also causes slowed breathing, drowsiness, and clouded mental functioning. By addressing this issue effectively, we must adopt a comprehensive approach that encompasses prevention, treatment, education, and support. In conclusion, the misuse and abuse of drugs have far-reaching consequences, including individuals, families, societies. We must prioritize prevention, education, and health. By doing so, we can promote healthier and happier lives, strengthen our communities, and we can build up our upcoming generation and make for them a brighter future. I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.